funny. He told me something similar.
Hello everyone, welcome to Andy Visits. In today's video, we'll be discussing some of the best ways The Dark Knight is the ultimate Batman movies.
I killed a bus driver.
After teasing a Joker car at the end of Batman Begins, Christopher Nolan followed up his masterfully crafted but rigid origin story with one of the greatest superhero sequels of all time, The Dark Knight. The movie was an instant hit, topping $1 billion at the worldwide box office and was universally praised by critics, even Academy members.
This Joker guy was so smart, he'd have had us break a.
No, you.
Heath Ledger. Heath Ledger's unforgettable Oscar-winning portrayal of the Joker isn't the best on-screen portrayal of a Batman villain or the best on-screen portrayal of a comic book villain. It's one of the greatest villain performances in film history, alongside Louis Fleischer's Nurse Ratched and Anthony Hopkins' Hannibal Lecter. His performance as a sadistic, unpredictable lunatic is mesmerizing and steals the spotlight in every scene. But there is a lot of depth under the surface and a surprising amount of truth in his madness. The relationship of Batman and the Joker. Batman and the Joker are one of the most iconic hero-villain pairing of all time. And even more effectively that, Tim Burton Christopher Nolan identified all the core themes that make the relationship work so well on the page, and in Batman the animated series, and put them on the big screen in The Dark Knight. The Joker enjoys creating chaos on the streets of Gotham because it's fun to watch Batman try to bring hope and order to ensuing mayhem. Batman wants to understand what makes the Joker tick, but Alfred tells him some people are just pure evil.
All these rules, and you think no escape from this. You don't want to hurt the boy, Harvey.
The secondary villain. A lot of secondary villain in comic book movies can feel tagged on or perfections, like Black Manta in Aquaman or Venom in Spider-Man 3. The Dark Knight uses its secondary villain effectively because corrupting Harvey Dent is crucial to the Joker's plan to destroy Batman's optimistic ethos. If the Joker can turn Dent, Gotham's White King, on a crusade to put the city's criminal behind bars into a heartless murderer, then he'll be proof anyone can be corrupted and Gotham doesn't have any hope.
It's about what's fair! You thought we could be decent, man.
I was raised here. I turned out okay. Is Wayne Manor in this?
The movie spends as much time with Bruce as Batman. The best Batman stories explore the characters' dichotomy. It's easy to just have fun with a masked crime fighter beating bad guys to a pulp, but what's really fascinating about Batman is his ongoing identity crisis. He's more comfortable in the guise of his superhero alter ego than as the man he really is. Billionaire Bruce Wayne is the mask that Batman puts on to protect his identity. Nolan understands this and spends as much time with Bruce Wayne as he does with Batman.
Natasha, Rachel.
Natasha, are you Rusty Harvey?
When their enemies were at the gates, the Romans would suspect.
Action sequences. From the opening bank heist to the police convoy chase, The Dark Knight is filled with stunning action set pieces shot on IMAX cameras. Nolan hemmed some of the most cinematic action sequences ever filmed for this movie. Unlike most comic book movies, The Dark Knight used minimal CGI. If a stunt or effect could be pulled off practically, then Nolan and his team did it vertically.
Set the dogs on me.
The final sacrifice. The final scene of The Dark Knight sees Batman taking the fall for Dent to preserve his image as Gotham's beacon of heaven. Batman allows himself to be vilified for the good of his city. This is the kind of sacrifice that only Batman can make. He's perfectly capable of going on the run and evading capture. The final shot of the movie sees him disappearing into the night, and this tough decision proves he realizes that the fight for law and order in Gotham is bigger than himself. So what are your thoughts about this movie? Do share in the comment section your views, and also if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and do visits. Thank you so much.